everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a what I eat in a day. I'm already like kind of failing that video because I made coffee and I didn't show you guys, but I showed you guys in so many videos. I'm just gonna show you anyway, like what I put in it. So for my coffee, I use this Folgers Classic Roast Instant Coffee Crystals, and then I add a little bit of either sugar-free like French vanilla syrup or hazelnut, I believe, and then I'll put in some cinnamon, and I usually just use this hot water from my kettle, and then I'll add, honestly, like I go a little overboard with the creamer, but I use the almond creamer from Silk. It's dairy-free, 25 calories per tablespoon, and honestly I probably do like 2 or 3 tablespoons, not gonna lie, but I never really like fully finish my coffee. I always just sip on it, but that is what my morning coffee looks like. Then I usually sip on lots of water throughout the day. I usually have honestly like 5 of these. Like I have a lot of water. So I've had 1 of these so far, so now I'm on my 2nd cup. And I am just like a drink gal. I love to just sip on something. So I'm having this strawberry lemonade 3D. There was about 3/4 of this left from yesterday, and I'm still about like halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway. So I just slowly sip on this. So it's currently 10:15 and that's what I've had so far throughout my day. I usually don't have breakfast, but I mean, if I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat breakfast. I usually am just not that hungry in the morning. Although I want this to be a what I eat in a day, I'm still gonna like kind of vlog, but I'm also gonna be showing you guys my meals because I usually don't show you guys my meals in my vlog, so just heads up. I just finished filming for my Fashion Nova Valentine's Day haul. That right there on the couch is just everything that I had, and then this was my setup. So I had my big box light over here, and then my other camera, which went in my room right there, and then just the green tree was like the background. So I need to edit that like ASAP. All right, it is time for some quick, I guess you could call it breakfast since it's the first meal of the day. I'm gonna put some egg whites. This is too hot. Uh-oh. So I'm putting some egg whites, and then I'm just gonna use this Deck Project Mild Southwest seasoning. Honestly, a lot of that. I was just gonna do 1 normal bagel, but didn't realize we only had minis, so I'm just going to put some Philadelphia cream cheese and some guac on them, and then I'll top it off with the egg. And there we have it. There is breakfast. Going on my 3rd cup and just almost done editing my Fashion Nova video. I have Hank out here and Mr. Kitty drinking some water. I've gotten hate before that like my dog shouldn't be in the kennel, but Macy and Hank both. Oh, Macy just moved, but I was gonna say she loves her kennel so much because like she's just obsessed with sleeping and she has her bed in there. But she was just in there. But one thing she loves more than her kennel is the sun. So wherever there's a little patch of sun, she's gonna be laying there. Are you a good girl, Moo? I love you. Hi, Hank. Are you wagging your tail? Yeah. I pet you? Is that what you want? She's just the cutest. Oh, you want your belly rubbed? Okay. Okay, I'm just going to quickly head to the gym. It's 1 o'clock right now. I haven't had lunch yet, but I'll probably eat right after I get back because I have volleyball practice 3 hours. So I just need to get a like really quick little workout in. Honestly, probably just gonna do like bike or walk / run. So yeah, I'm wearing Buff Bunny Collection leggings and then just a Lulu tank. And then I have my shoes in my car. Literally just have like lint all over. Okay, so I just got home from the gym and out of the shower. I just rinsed off. I didn't wash my hair or anything, but I did about 25 minutes of cardio. I walked for 10 and then ran for a little more than 10 and then just cooled off like the last 2 minutes. And then I spent 10 minutes in the sauna, and now I'm here. I'm really tired. I did not realize how hungry I was. I literally didn't have any, like, I had breakfast, but I was really hungry before the gym, so I definitely should have had something. But now I'm heating up a power bowl, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so this is what I'm eating right now. This is the Healthy Choice Power Bowls. This is the Cajun style chicken and sausage. It has 17 grams of protein. And this is what it looks like. Super yummy. I'm actually so hungry right now, so I'm gonna devour this before I have to leave. That really didn't fill me up, and I look at it and it's 170 calories. So I'm gonna have this Oikos 000. This has 15 grams of protein. So I'm trying a little bit harder, like not too excessive to eat like way more protein, but I'm trying to like purchase more protein packed food, so I just end up like having them as snacks anyway. But this stuff is actually really good. I usually hate yogurt, but it's really good. And this is the mixed berry flavor. I finally finished uploading my Fashion Nova haul. This is a Valentine's Day outfits. They sent me all these items and I just sent them over the email so they can give me the go ahead so that everything in like the description looks good. Literally obsessed with this dress. Hopefully you guys will know that this video, the vlog you're watching, is going to be up after this one. So hopefully you see this one first. Also, I'm watching just like some old YouTube videos. Like I just get caught up in my channel. I'm going to go get my nose pierced tomorrow. This will be the third time I've had it pierced, but I had it pierced on my left side, I believe, and I still have that tiny little bump, if you can see. It's just like, I had so many issues with it. I took it out because I was getting married and I did not want the big bump in my wedding picture. So I was just like, you know, I gotta take it out. And the first time I took it out was because it just would not stop bleeding. And I took it out and it healed pretty quickly, and then I just never put it back in. I don't know what I'm gonna do differently, but I really hope it's gonna work out. And I think I'm gonna do it on my right side though, because I pierced this one twice on this side already. So I still have like scar tissue. As you can see, there's still a little tiny scar there, like not noticeable. I have very like, this camera kind of filters it out, but I have very red skin and like freckles everywhere. So honestly, it kind of blends in. So it's nothing that I even worry about, but I think I'm gonna try my right side this time. See how that goes. It's now time for me to go to practice, so I'm just wearing a green crew neck and some Buff Bunny Collection leggings. And again, my shoes are in my car. So I just got back from practice and I'm gonna have another cup of water, and then I forgot I had these little mini sugar or zero sugar Cokes. So I'm gonna have this while my dinner is just being made. My dinner is super random today. It's literally whatever I had left over in my freezer. So you guys will see that in a minute. I'm just gonna quick make this salad. This is the Southwest salad you get at Target. Just like pretty much like a pre-made kit salad. So I'm gonna start off with this Chipotle Southwest salad. I added a little bit of bacon and green peppers, or just bell peppers in there. Just like whatever we had left in the fridge. And then I'm gonna have the chicken that we have going in the oven. I'm gonna have a little bit more, so like a second serving. Okay, I'm pretty full, but when it comes to dessert, I'll always have room. So I'm gonna have this Skinny Cow Skinny Mini Cone. It's only like 100 calories, so it really like doesn't make me feel guilty for having something so enjoyable. And I feel like it's the perfect serving size amount. And I mean, you even want to have a second one. Only 100 calories. So I'm having this little chocolate cone, and I usually hate ice cream, but this is just the perfect amount. For Brian's dessert, he's having bread pudding, right?
Uh-huh.
Is it good?
Really good. No, it's rice pudding.
Oh, rice pudding, rice pudding.
I rated it like a 6. I feel like I could, ooh, I'm gonna put cinnamon in here.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, oh, still working on my cone. Brian just added, what'd you add? A little M&Ms to that?
Cinnamon.
And cinnamon. So, first bite, let's go.
It's good. It's good.
Oh, that's cinnamon. That's pretty good. I went out to get a drink with my friends before our volleyball game, and I just had a sugar-free vodka Red Bull. Since I forgot to show you guys how I exactly make my coffee yesterday, going in with my Folgers, I have about half a tablespoon, and I'm gonna add just a tiny little bit more. I don't know. For character. Then I'm gonna go in with the French vanilla, and I put this all in before I even put the water in. Then I'm taking my cinnamon, a decent amount, and then I'll just add my water to that. Okay, then like I said yesterday, I take this Silk Almond Creamer. Having a quick little, you could say breakfast, because it is my first meal, but just a bagel with some cream cheese on it. I hope you guys enjoyed a very typical, like, what I eat in a day. I try not to go out to eat, but it definitely happens. I need to really up my game on grocery shopping and stuff like that, but yeah, that was just super random. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to stick around for my next vlog, and I will see you guys then.